Friends, hello. I hope you are good. Let's talk about Mullen Automotive. So it is around noon right now, and I figured it's pretty much a wrap on the market this week, on Mullen this week, unless they come out with some kind of news article that they're partnering with Tesla by the end of the day. I doubt much is going to change here, so here we go. Let's talk about what we've seen so far and get everyone up to date. And probably not on the same playing card, but at least, we're talking here. First things first, not to beat a dead horse over the head here, but obviously Mullen needs $1 like yesterday. If not, NASDAQ's going to be calling and say, hey, we're going to be doing a reverse split, or you need to file extension. That conversation will be coming up here very soon. Obviously, they don't want that, nor do investors this early in the game. Mullen has been making a lot of announcements about, getting closer and closer to making a car. This is a new EV company that's trying to get off the ground and running. There's you could throw a rock into a pool and hit an EV company at this point. Everybody and their brother with, $10 billion has started an EV company. And Mullen is just another one with some unique ideas that they're trying to get going with their electric cars here. But with it being so cheap, that is what is intriguing a lot of investors right now. Are they gonna make it? Are they gonna make even this push right now to get to $1? Mullen has made many announcements about vehicle orders. You can even go on their website and place an order for yourself. And right now the company, as we're talking here, is supposedly, they say they are building an assembly line to assemble their EV vehicles using Chinese EV parts and designs. But obviously, just like all these other startup EV companies, we're continue to see cash burn, people in and out of the company, pushbacks. It's pretty much the same story with a lot of EV companies. I mean, I remember like 4 years ago when we started to see electric vehicle companies really come to market. And a lot of them since then have had the same kind of story. And a lot of them still aren't doing great in sales. A lot of them are selling vehicles, but they're still not like, they're nowhere near Tesla, obviously, or even an existing automotive company at this point, which I don't think a lot of people are expecting them to be, where you're talking realistically of a new company, everything's new. They're trying to get out of debt and make a profit here, and that takes time. And honestly, the Mullen vehicles, they're pretty nice. I mean, these are pretty nice vehicles we're talking about here. Very expensive looking vehicles. So friends, I think the obvious thing here with everything we've been talking about here with Mullen is that number one thing is that they got to start selling cars. They got to start manufacturing cars and selling cars, and that's really what's going to get the ground, hit the ground running here with them. And I believe that's going to take time. Now, and here's where, people get mad or people get happy with what I say here is that unless something drastic changes here and Mullen can come out with some kind of promise that they're going to have cars out X date, this, that, and show a vehicle, show happy customers, then that's going to help their stock and make their stock survive. Right now, investors are losing steam, they're losing hope, and right now people see that the stock is in a very dangerous position where, we could be seeing a reverse split here. I mean, this is a realistic situation that could possibly be happening here. And, it's not like curtains closed here for anybody. It just means that people will get stuck in a reverse split, and it's going to suck for everyone. But we're not there yet. That's not happening. And there could be a squeeze here, a push to get this thing up and running here. I do believe that's going to have to come with some kind of news from Mullen, like something they could show and prove to investors to get them happy, to get their hopes up, to get them to believe in what's going on here. And we're just not seeing enough big news to do that right now at this point. So February 6th, Mullen had that big push to under 43 cents right there. Since then, we have been losing ground, and that was right when some news came out about contracts and all that sort of thing. We're split in half now. We're down to a 23-cent zone. Mullen has been this low before. It's actually been lower than this, and it's found its way back up again. It's got a very rocky chart here. But like I said, once again, it's got a rocky chart in the sense it has not seen $1 for quite some time now, since July of last year, for at least 10 consecutive days. So friends, with all that said, I just want to wish all of you best of luck with this one. Let me know what you think about Mullen. Is it gonna make it, or are we gonna see a reverse split here? What do you think is gonna happen here? Obviously, I'm hoping the best for everyone. I really am. I do mean that. I don't want to see anybody get caught in a reverse split. They suck. Trust me, been there, done that multiple times. We all have. If we don't see something soon, this is more than likely what is going to happen here, friends. So I will talk to you very soon. Friends, have a phenomenal Friday, phenomenal weekend, and I will talk to you real soon. Bye, everyone.